What are the 20 best assets to buy before a recession hits? First, consider gold. It's a safe haven during economic downturns. Next, look into silver. It often follows gold's trends. Real estate can be a profitable investment, especially rental properties that generate income even in tough times. Dividend-paying stocks provide passive income, helping to weather volatility. Think about utility stocks too. They tend to be stable, even during recessions. Bonds are essential as they provide security and regular interest payments. Explore commodities like agriculture and energy. These can act as a hedge against inflation. Consider inflation-protected securities for added safety. A diversified portfolio is key, so adding REITs can provide both income and growth potential. Treasury inflation-protected securities, TIPS, offer a good layer of protection against inflation. Look at emerging markets. They can provide opportunities when developed markets face challenges. Investing in precious gems or collectibles can yield high returns, particularly when the economy dips. Cryptocurrencies might be risky, but can also provide substantial returns in uncertain times. Consider cash or cash equivalents. Having liquidity allows you to seize opportunities as they arise in a recession. Explore peer-to-peer lending, which can yield high returns compared to traditional banking. Lastly, consider investing in businesses that provide essential goods and services. They remain indispensable, even during economic downturns.